Hello everyone, I Rahul Tripathi, faculty of MBA department from Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am going to deliver a lecture on concept of marketing environment. So let us start with the introduction part. The marketing environment refers to all internal and external factors which directly or indirectly influence the organization's decisions related to the marketing activities. Internal factors are within the control of an organization, whereas external factors do not fall within its control. The external factors include government, technological, economical, social and the competitive forces, whereas organization's strength, weaknesses and the competencies form the part of internal factors. So, a marketing environment mostly comprises of the following types of environment, which is called as micro environment and the macro environment. So, let us discuss the micro environment forces in the following points. First is that is the suppliers. It provides raw material to produce goods and services. Suppliers can influence the profit of an organization because the price of raw materials determines the final price of the product. Organizations need to monitor suppliers on a regular basis to know the supply shortages and changes in the price of inputs. Next factor, which is marketing intermediaries. So, it helps organizations in establishing a link with the customers. They help in promoting, selling and the distributing products. Next factor is that is the customers. Customers buy the product of the organization for final consumption. The main goal of the organization is customer satisfaction. The organization undertakes the research and the development activities to analyze the need of customers and manufacture products according to those needs. Next factor which we are going to discuss is that is the competitors. It helps an organization to differentiate its products to maintain position in the market. Competition refers to a situation where various organizations offer similar products and try to gain market share by adopting different marketing strategies. Now friends, we are going to discuss about the macro environment. So, macro environment involves a set of environmental factors that is beyond the control of an organization. So, let us discuss these factors in detail. First one is that is the demographic environment. So, demographic environment is the scientific study of human population in the terms of elements such as age, gender, education, occupation, income and location. Next factor is economic environment. So, economic environment affects the organization cost structure and the customer's purchasing power. The purchasing power of a customer depends on the current income, prices of the product, savings and credit availability. Next factor is natural environment. Natural environment consists of natural resources which are needed as raw materials to manufacture products by the organization. Next factor, that is socio-cultural environment. Socio-cultural environment comprises forces such as society's basic values, attitudes, perception and behavior. These forces help in determining that what type of products customers prefer, what influence the purchase attitude or decision, which brand they prefer and at what time they buy the products. Next factor is that is the technological environment. So, technology contributes to the economic growth of a country. It has become an indispensable part of our lives. Organizations that fail to track ongoing technological changes find it difficult to survive in today's competitive market. Last factor that is which we are going to discuss is that is the political and the legal environment. So, friends, political and legal environment consists of legal bodies and government agencies that influence and limit the organizations and individuals. Every organization should take care of the fact that marketing activities should not harm the political and legal environment prevailing in the country. So, friend, I hope you understand the concept of the marketing environment. Thank you very much.